Hello students, today I will start the chapter Phenol Ether and Alcohols. Okay, Phenol, Ether and Alcohol. It is for examination NEET, JEE, CBSE and ICSE. Okay, so let us start the first question. Example of aromatic alcohols. What are aromatic alcohols? You know what is aromatic? The compound which obeys the Huckel's rule. Okay, that is the benzene ring closed system 4n plus 2 pi electron system. These are all for the plus 2 level, but what is new for the examination for NEET and JEE, these you have to concentrate. So first example of aromatic alcohols. So these are the aromatic alcohols. Okay, the alcohol groups attached to the aromatic ring, that is your phenyl methanol. Okay, phenyl methanol. See one carbon atom, therefore it is methanol. To this carbon atom, the phenyl group is attached at one position. You can call methanol phenyl 1 or 1 phenyl methanol. Okay, second is you see 1 phenyl ethanol. The chain is 2 carbon atom. At 2 position, phenyl group is attached. Similarly, this is your 2 phenyl ethanol. Okay, see, this is the carbon chain. 2 carbon atoms are present in the chain. At 2 position, phenyl group is attached. Similarly, 2 phenyl propanol 2. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms in the chain, and at 2 position phenyl group is attached and 2 position OH is there. Okay, so these are the examples of aromatic alcohols. Then what are the types of phenols? So what is phenol? The OH group attached directly to the benzene ring is known as the your phenol. Okay, if more than OH groups are attached, then its name is changing, and it is at the meta position. 2 positions are attached, then it is known as resorcinol. Okay, 3 positions attached, it is known as hydroxyquinol. At each position OH groups are attached, hexaphenol. Okay, similarly you can also see this side. You can also see this side how it is. See, this is known as ortho position. 2 OH groups are attached. It is known as catechol. Okay, here at para position OH groups are attached, and it is known as the hydroxyquinone or quinol. And at 1, 2, 3 position OH groups are attached, it is known as pyrogalol. Okay, so these are all the phenols. Next, what are the allylic alcohols? What are the allylic alcohols? You should not confuse. Allylic and is different from the vinyl. Allylic is different from the vinyl. See, it is allylic. So what is allylic? The OH group attached to the carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached to the carbon which is attached with double bond, C double bond. So it is the double bond. So this OH group is attached to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached to this double bonded carbon atom. Then it is known as allylic alcohol. Also see here, you see here OH attached this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached C double bond C. This is known as allylic alcohol. Then what is vinyl? What is vinyl? You see, vinyl is different. The OH is attached to the direct to the double bond C double bond carbon. This is known as vinylic alcohol. Okay. Similarly, what is arylic? Arylic. Arylic means this is the OH attached to the aromatic ring, direct to the aromatic ring. This is known as arylic. This is vinylic, this is arylic. So catechol, all these three are the arylic alcohols, arylic alcohols. So vinyl, from aromatic it is arylic, from vinyl it is vinylic. Okay. So these OH groups are attached to the sp2. These are sp2 carbon atoms attached to the sp2 carbon atoms. But here in the allylic, the OH is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atoms. Okay. So these are the confused points you have to remember. Okay. You should not get confused. What are benzylic alcohols? What are benzylic? You see, benzylic. See, the OH group is attached to the carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring. You compare these two, question number 3 and question number 4. Allylic, benzylic. Allylic and benzylic. So here is also the carbon atom is attached, the OH is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So question number 3, 4, these are similar. Similarly, question number 5 and you see this is your vinylic and this is arylic. These are sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. Okay. Next one is, so these are the confused points. So you have to clear your confusion. Next, what are types of ethers? What are types of ethers? Simple ether or symmetrical ether means to the OH, to the O atom, oxygen atom, two sides. If similar alkyl groups are there, then it is known as simple or symmetrical ethers. Or it may be aryl groups, alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, that is aromatic groups, same type, similar types, then it is known as symmetrical ethers. Then what are mixed ethers or in unsymmetrical? If the two R groups are dissimilar, then it is known as mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. Okay, so these are the unsymmetrical ethers. See, this is also benzyl phenyl ether, benzyl phenyl ether. So which name will come first? You see, benzyl phenyl ether. Why not it is phenyl benzyl ether? Because alphabetical. Benzyl, B comes first, then P comes first, then P. First B, then P. So benzyl phenyl ether. Similarly here, you are taking C, methyl, and this is ethyl. So what? First ethyl, ethyl, methyl, ether. Here also P, this is phenyl and this is methyl. So methyl, phenyl, ether. Okay, it is according to the alphabetic. Next, aliphatic ethers. Aliphatic, these are aliphatic ethers, and aromatic ethers are also classified as aliphatic ethers and aromatic ethers. If the two sides of the oxygen atom, if aliphatic groups are there, then it is known as aliphatic ethers. If aromatic in the aromatic ether, if one of the R group is aromatic, then it is known as aromatic ether. And again, aromatic ether is divided into two parts. One is phenyl ether, other is diaryl ether. One is phenyl ether, other is diaryl ether. So you see, if one of the group is aromatic, then it is known as phenyl ether. So this is phenyl ether. Okay. If both the groups of aryl, then it is known as diaryl ether. You see C6H5O, C6H5. So this is known as diphenyl ether. If both the groups of aromatic, then it is known as diaryl ether. Okay students, please subscribe my channel and share it among your friends and like it. Okay student, have a good day.